we dreaming? Are we dreaming?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya, and in this video I have another phone theme. I had promised and told you guys that I will be doing more phone themes, and that is what I will be doing. So here we have another cute phone theme that I know you guys will like it. It's free and it's a free wallpaper. I know you guys will really enjoy. Don't forget to message me if you guys would like the wallpapers, and I will gladly respond to you. I will leave my links down below, Instagram, all that. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's just get this video started. So here I will be applying this so adorable phone theme. This is the creator and the name of the phone theme. It's called Cute Donuts. It's so adorable. This is one of my favorite free phone themes to apply because it goes very well with a lot of like the wallpapers and images that I have. So let's apply it. So here it is. This is the beautiful, adorable phone theme with little pastry donuts. So I love how the icons turn into donuts. How yummy and cute is that? There's a bunch of different variety of donuts, glazed, chocolate sprinkles, strawberry. The phone theme itself, like the calculator, is kind of simple, but it makes up for it because of how cute it is. So it just has like pink accents like at the top and then just white. And I love how it just ties in very well together. Look at the bottom, super cute for these little bottom icons. So the phone dial is literally no change. It's not even pink whatsoever, but it's okay. The messaging is actually really nice. So the icon right there at the left turns into a green donut. There's purple and then pink, orange, and pink for like the keyboard and the messaging. Super cute. And then we have our image. So this is the beautiful cinnamon roll. He's so cute and is full of love with hearts and is in a little teacup with a pastry. So I'm just going to apply this. Here is the preview, and we will be setting this as our lock screen. So adorable. And here is the next image, cinnamon roll in macaroons and a teacup with pastries. Love this, and there's like a lot of details you can see from this preview. It's just super cute and it ties in very well with the donuts, so I'm going to use that as my home screen. Look how amazing it looks. I just love the little trims at the edges, so cute. And I love how there's little pastel macaroons, and cinnamon roll is the cutest, so I love this. And here is my lock screen. I just want to give him a cute little hug and just eat him up with his pastries. So nice. So this is how the lock screen looks like. I love this. Hopefully you guys like it as well. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, got some ideas, images, wallpapers, and I'll see you guys in my next one.